Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by for Face Mask Friday. Except for, as you may have noticed, it's Saturday. It was so busy yesterday. We had the last Glossy Box spoiler. I wanted to do my giveaway for my 700 subscribers. And I had 3 FabFitFun starter boxes that are on a timeline, so I wanted to be sure and get a video out about those. So I decided to go ahead and push this a day. But let's get into it. For my mask today, I wanted to do the Grace and Stella mud mask that I received in one of my subscription boxes, but I chose this one for 2 reasons. One, yesterday I tried a new foundation, and it was just one that we had gotten in a box, and it was from Marcel, and it left me so oily and kind of red and irritated. You can probably even tell it wasn't. That's the downside of trying every single thing that comes in a box when you have sensitive skin. So I read about the Grace and Stella, and it sounded like exactly what I needed today. Plus, we are getting a Grace and Stella product in our next FabFitFun for summer, and I wanted to go ahead and try out the brand because I had never tried it. The Grace and Stella site says that this helps with whiteheads, blackheads, acne scarring, redness, dark spots, and bumpy texture. And they say that it's good for sensitive skin too, so we're going to put that to the test. Also, it says you can use it on your face or your body. It also says that it's super moisturizing to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Let me go ahead and start putting this on. It's still safety sealed. Okay, let's go ahead, before we read any more, let's go ahead and start putting it on. So, like I said last time, when I'm looking down, I have a mirror down here, so I'm not accidentally putting clay places it shouldn't. It says to put a thin coat on and leave it on for 10 minutes while avoiding your eye area. Oh, it feels nice and cool. I do like not getting all of this on me because of this nice little Sephora mask application paddle that I got. So the website says that this moisturizes with K1 clay and sunflower oil and shea butter and aloe vera and jojoba oil and calendula oil. It's got so many good things in it. I really thought that these types of masks were generally not known for their moisturizing, so I had been putting them off all winter, saving them for the summer, thinking that if it was detoxifying, it couldn't be moisturizing, but I'm hoping it proves me wrong. The website also says that it detoxifies. That it takes care of environmental toxins and improves blood circulation for a healthy, vibrant glow. And it gets its nourishing from the Dead Sea minerals that are in it. They say that Cleopatra used those. That's what they brag about. So, I mean, if it's good for Cleopatra. So what are you guys doing this Memorial Day weekend? I hope you have fun plans. I think we're probably just going to grill out, get together with family, that kind of thing. Okay, so once you get this on, it says to leave it and let it dry, which will take about 10 minutes. I will come back and show it to you dry. And then you just wash it off with warm water and you're wonderful. So I'll see you back in 10 minutes or so. Okay, I'm back. It's been like 15 minutes and it's not completely dry, which makes me think maybe it's not supposed to completely dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I mean, parts of it feel, it's not leaving my, is it? No, it's not leaving my finger really green. So it's dry-ish, but it's not like that tight gray cast dry that you get. So let's go take this off and see what we think. Okay, so I've washed it all off and patted it dry, and I have to tell you, I'm fairly surprised because it was mud, I had to take a washcloth and really get in there to get it out, which usually makes my cheeks crazy red. I mean, and it did make them red, but I don't think they're as red as when I started this. So it did help with redness, and my skin is really, really soft, and I tend to get a little bumpy down my chin, not acne, but just dry skin maybe, and that seems to be gone. So yeah, I totally like this mask, and it makes me excited to try the next Grace and Stella product, which if you get FabFitFun, I think is going to be in our box and is like a rose mist, which I love mists and I love rose, so it works for me. But this is what I used today, the Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. And I just left it on like it said for 10 minutes, wiped it off, rinsed it, and I feel like I'm ready to go with my day. All right, thanks for coming by for our Face Mask Saturday today. And I will see you soon. Hopefully we'll have some boxes soon to unbox. Bye, guys.